Maria, not only are you guys serving up delicious donuts here at Cane's Donuts, but you're also serving up coffee with a purpose. Tell us about that.
We are. Well, actually, we serve Stella Blue coffee, which we feel that it is the best coffee in the world. Stella Blue is part of Barstool Sports, and Big Cat named Stella Blue Coffee after his beautiful dog, Stella, who is a shelter dog. Part of the proceeds of Stella Blue Coffee goes to Paws Chicago. That made us love their coffee because my family are big dog lovers and especially love to support shelters. When we saw that they came out with a Miss Peaches coffee, we decided to take the proceeds of every sale of the Miss Peaches coffee, and we're going to be donating it to Paws New England to help the shelter dogs on the East Coast.
Cheers to that.
You got it, girl.